Capstone 6. As we have stated in many of these topics, is that the ultimate threat is what our world is becoming and what we as humans are doing to damage it. With all of today's modern technologies and advances, although they make our lives a little bit easier, they are greatly damaging and polluting our earth. From pollution to our air quality, to our waterways, and even to our overall ecosystem and weather system. All these chemicals are making the earth, in a way, go into defense mode, but ultimately we are breaking piece by piece away of the land that we are currently calling home. Now, the United States Global Change Research Program, located in Washington, D.C., has been watching and observing for many years how our earth is slowly dying away. And as I said, it is all at the hand of the pollution and that is being admitted through many things the humans are doing. One being the destruction of our forests. By making way for new developmental land, we are getting rid of our trees, which breathe in those toxic chemicals and release clean oxygen to keep our air clean. But with removing that land, the air quality is falling. And the air quality is falling because of many factories and industry companies that have been polluting the air through their smokestacks and dumping contaminants into our waterways, as well as even just the chemicals that our car is emitted when we travel. There are so many things that we are doing to harm our world, and with all those chemicals in our water and in our air causes the whole system to go crazy. For instance, the contaminants getting into our water not only is bad for the humans that are drinking it and taking that in, but is also bad for the ocean and its system with breaking down of the sea floor and causing the temperatures to rise as well as sea levels to rise, therefore can lead to flooding of the land as well as erosion. And with all our contaminants in the air, not only bad for the humans and animals to breathe it in, but is also causing the weather system to go out of control with temperatures as well as storms occurring when they usually would not. We need to take these steps to get our planet back on track and in a healthy state again. The Research Center has been looking into many ways to keep these things from happening, such as cutting back on polluting cars and factories with more efficient systems that will not pollute the air as much, if at all, as well as having laws put into place to make the factories cut back on their pollution disposal. And of course, they continue to monitor the temperatures in areas as well as the water temperatures and acidity levels to see if they are going up or see if these plans are making any dents in the damage that is being caused. If these plans do not affect the negative impact, or if people simply do not be cautious of what they are doing and what they are polluting on the earth, we may just not have an earth to live on in the future. This information was obtained from USGCRP, Climate Science Special Report, Perspectives on Climate Change Mitigation, from science2017.globalchange.gov.